Alright, so I vacuumed the top of that old air filter so the crap wouldn't fall into the intake there. And once I did that, I used compressed air on the top of the surface to blow all the stuff away. Then I pulled the old air filter off. Then next step was to clean this surface, surface where the air filter sits, so it makes a good seal. That's critical. You don't want shit falling into your intakes. It'll fuck up my Ducati. So, having done that, go on to the next step, which is to put the new air filter in. How does that go on? This is the square I'm thinking. Let's see, this way? I don't think so. Yeah. Which way did the pleats go? I'm pretty sure the pleats were horizontal. Like this. Not like this. I don't think the pleats go like this. Although, looks like it does fit that way. I don't know. Let's see. But since I'm pretty sure the pleats were horizontal, so I think it goes on like this. Like that. Just make sure it fits in onto the mating surface, because you don't want any leakage there. It's really bad. Okay, I think that's how it goes in. Then just put the top of the air box on, clip it up, and we're done. Thanks for watching.